This is our provocation installation, where students explore a topic in depth and present their findings to esteemed parents while setting up an installation in their classroom. Let's take a look at how they complete their project. Our young learners from Grade-2 Venus embarked on an exciting research journey about parrots. Their curiosity was sparked by watching the Meena cartoon, where Matthew, the intelligent parrot, helps Meena with his cleverness.
Who helped Meena to learn the times table?
Inspired by Matthew, students explored the fascinating world of parrots. The highlight of their exploration was meeting a real green-cheeked conure, brought in by one of their friends. This hands-on experience allowed them to observe the parrot's behavior up close, making their learning even more exciting and memorable. Through their research, they discovered different types of parrots, learning about their colors, habitats, and unique abilities. To bring their learning to life, they got creative and made their own dummy parrots using craft materials. This project not only enriched their knowledge, but also encouraged curiosity, creativity, and a love for nature. Well done, young explorers!